Happy fall, y'all. It was another beautiful Sweatember day. Now, it's time for planks. So like I said, it's another day, another plank. Today's variation is the taps, my absolute favorite plank of all time. So let's get down to it. You're going to come out in that nice strong plank, and then you're going to tap each shoulder. Now you can have a wide stance or an arrow stance, whatever feels good to you. Just really try to keep those shoulders and hips square to the ground. Make sure that you are not straining your neck. And just tap the opposite shoulder with the opposite hand. You can rotate here. Just make sure that you're not doing anything wild. You don't want to fall and hurt yourself. Keep those abs engaged, so suck the belly button to your spine. That really helps engage those abs, which will in turn make this move a whole lot easier if your abs are engaged. Whew. You should already be feeling the burn in those shoulders. Make sure that you're trying to keep your wrists nice and stacked in line. If you need to, you can also do these from the knees. Just come out long and you can tap, tap. But make sure you have something under your knees. Otherwise, that can be really uncomfortable if you're on the surface I'm on. This tile is definitely not kneecap friendly. Remember to breathe. That's something I definitely have to remind myself to do. When it's hard, I definitely stop breathing or I hold my breath. I didn't really realize I did that until I was in yoga and the teacher kept telling me to breathe. And I had the aha moment that I wasn't breathing it. I've been holding my breath for what felt like a minute, but I probably wasn't. I can't hold my breath very long. Whew. So it was the very first day of fall, and let me tell you, it was my first fall festival. We went to a little church one. It was really cute. They had hay rides and a bunch of kids games, and they had this guy who did a balloon show. Now, I know that sounds pretty corny, but it was actually pretty awesome. This guy had a huge balloon dog. He was probably my size. And then at the end, he got in a balloon. It was crazy. And then popped it whenever he was done. It was the coolest thing I've seen in a while. Maybe I'm just easy to entertain. Whew, almost there. Last one. Whew, good job, guys. I hope you made it through it. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Definitely the planks. Let me know if you like planks as much as I do. I definitely would love your opinion on them. And maybe you guys know a variation that I don't know. And I would love to give that a try. So I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. If you would like to, please subscribe and definitely leave me a comment. I will definitely get back to you with any questions you have. And have a good day. Love you guys. Bye.